Hi, madam. I am Ravinder Singh, son of Jaswant Singh from program DCF FTW. Today, I'm going to present for lab practical 1 for the program for the subject computer troubleshooting. So, the topic I'm going to present today is protecting the environment, sustainability practice for greener, greener future. Okay, let's start. What is e-waste actually? As we all know, uh, e-waste actually is electronic waste refer as electronic devices which come from electronic devices such as handphone, laptop, and TVs, anything which have electronic components. For some batteries, printers also can be considered as e-waste. What causes this e-waste to boom up is the rapid technology advancement lead to growing volume of e-waste worldwide. As we can see here, there are six realities about disposal e-waste around the world. So, as my research, we actually produce slightly more than 57 million metric tons of e-waste in the year 2021, and statistic projects that by year 2020, 2030, e-waste amount close 74 million metric ton, which is a lot, and only 17.4% of e-waste was documented and recycled in the year 2019. The rest carelessly dumped. So other than that, rich countries as US, UK, actually 80% of the e-waste they send to India, China, Pakistan, which are some developing and poor countries. And tech firms will keep on releasing new products, making older one obsolete. As an example, iPhone. Apple is releasing iPhone every year with a new version, but there is not much differences actually, which lead to the users to dump the old phone for the new phone. And the marketing condition, as we can see, this tech giant actually marketing condition used to make consumer to buy more tech devices faster in faster interval. So they market the devices as they needed. But most of the devices actually most of the users don't need. How much e-waste do we produce? As I mentioned earlier, in the year 2023, over 50 million metric tons of e-waste we already generated globally. So less than 20% of the e-waste was properly recycled, and the remaining 80% end up in the landfills or improperly handled, mostly in developing countries. So as I mentioned earlier, developing countries like India, Nepal, China, Bangladesh, so they receive e-waste from richer countries. So why is e-waste a problem? Okay, let's understand that. E-waste actually, all our electrical devices contain is made of many type of minerals and uh, materials. So when this type of mineral and materials are in the devices, when we try to throw it just away, we don't recycle it. It contains the toxic material like lead, mercury, cadmium, and flammable restarts. So improper disposal can lead to soil and water contamination happen in the nearer to the e-waste recycle centers. So e-waste contribute to pollutions. So when we try to improperly dispose the e-waste, so it can release harmful chemicals into the air, which will be harmful for wild animals, wildlife, and also human being. So the solution, proper e-waste disposal, is recycle through certified e-waste centers and locate certified e-waste centers and drop-off point for the electronics. So make sure you check their e-waste center background first before you we give away our electronic devices. So donate the working devices means give away a, any old device which is not using but is functional to charities and schools, or also as a country we can donate to developing countries to help them to advance in technology. Okay. Take back program, yeah, many actually now many of the manufacturer offering take back programs such as Apple and Samsung, which are two tech giants. So we can call, we as a user we can help it to reduce the e-waste. So benefit of proper e-waste management is as I mentioned, reduces toxic pollution, prevent harmful material from contaminating our ecosystem. Next is create jobs. Recycling industry generate employment in green economy, which is good for everyone. And the third one is conservation natural resources. Valuable metal like gold, copper, silver can be extracted from old electronics, which will make us to slow down our mining of these raw materials. As we can see in the screen, four naval technologies to overcome the e-waste problem. So first of all, before we throw away our e-waste, make sure e-waste is sorted so we can know where we need to send for recycle or throw away. Next is refurbish lithium ion batteries. So this type of battery we can reuse it and provide power for longer. And recycle the circuit boards. Most of the circuit board components, small components such as transistor, chipset, can be used as a spare part or what, so we can extract it. Other than that, heatless element recovery means do not some of the US industry they like to heat up the components to extract items which will release toxic gas in the air, which is harmful for us, so try to avoid it. Tips for reducing e-waste: first of all, extend the life of your electronic devices, repair and instead of replacing. So if our phone is spoiled, try to repair it other than replacing it. Other than that, buy energy efficiency and durable products. So as an example, if we go to buy electronic devices such as aircon, TV, they will be rated with the stars, how many stars, power consumption. So go for the lowest power consumption, means higher star. And besides that, recycle your devices properly. Ensure all the electronics are disposed responsibly, as I mentioned earlier. Conclusion: collaboration across value chain is essential. Manufacturer, consumer, policymaker, and workers must come together. It means everyone must come together to achieve this goal. The goal will be benefit for both of us, government, business, and users. So to achieve this goal, we require innovative ideas, new policymakers, fresh business models. To reach our goal is reduce the e-waste as the lowest as possible. That's all for my presentation. Thank you, madam.